G'day everyone, so in this video here we're going to be looking at how to convert degrees to radian. So the only thing to really remember here is when converting degrees to radian you need to multiply by pi on 180, and I'll go through a couple of examples of how we do that. So in this first one, when we have 144 degrees, so what we write out is 144, then we multiply by pi on 180. Just remember, if you're multiplying a whole number by a fraction, this goes to the top. Okay, so it becomes 144 pi on 180. Now, we don't leave it like that. We actually need to simplify it so it's in its most simple form, the fraction. So simplify your fractions here. So 36 actually goes into 144 and 180. So you could just put this in your CAS though, and it would come out as 4 pi on 5. Okay, so the next one here, we actually do the exact same thing. Okay, so it becomes 240 pi on 180. And you'll notice why I did this example. It's greater than 1 or greater than pi. So this one will actually simplify down to, and we write it as 4 pi on 3. We don't write 1 or pi plus pi on 3, okay? So we write 4 pi on 3. For our third example, we've got a -1, so negative 720 degrees. Alright, we do the exact same thing, just because it's a negative doesn't make it different. Okay, so pi on 180, so we write negative 720 pi on 180. Okay, we then simplify this down, and 180 goes into 724 times. Okay, so it becomes negative 4 pi. Okay, so you can write it negative 4 pi on 1, but just remember this is equal to negative 4 pi. Okay, so just remember that. Now our last one, we got negative 330 degrees. Okay, so this one, we do the exact same thing, pi on 180. So here, this is equal to negative 330 pi on 180, and we need to simplify this down. And when you break it all down, this here is equal to negative 11 pi on 6. Okay, so this is actually how you break them all down. Once you know exact values, this becomes a little bit easier as well. So we'll be going over that into a future video. So hopefully this helps with converting degrees to radian. Good luck.